vanilla syrup in a bowl, please? Okay. Okay. Yes. No, it's not last. Here's the syrup. Oh, actually, I want a vanilla ice cream in a bowl. Fine, I would like vanilla ice cream with vanilla syrup in a bowl. Oh, I forgot my money. I'm gonna go get my money, and you can make that. Forgot my money in the car. Here's my money, and now I need to drive back. Let me drive back with my money. Perfection. Do you have it ready? And the makeup. Okay, let's see it. Rajsi, can I get this vanilla one? And then can I get this vanilla one? And then this one? Can I get that in a bowl? I'm going. Here you go, here's the bowl. Can I have it now? What? Here's it. Thank you. And here's your money. Bye. Wait. Bye. Mommy, show me. What a wonderful day eating my ice cream at the lovely park. You see the